DAP Concrete Crack Filler. Repair and renew horizontal concrete cracks with ease. No more sinking, shrinking, cracking, or poor color match repairs. Its dry powder formula is easy to use with a simple step-by-step process. Just pour, level, and mist. No shaking required. To start, prep the surface, making sure it's clean and dry. Unscrew the cap, remove the seal, and cut the spout at a 45-degree angle. Pour into the crack, slightly overfilling. Carefully level the surface and feather the edges using a trowel, paintbrush, or gloved finger. Next, lightly mist the area to activate. It's best to use a spray bottle or the mist setting on a garden hose. Be sure not to flood the area. DAP Concrete Crack Filler. For a seamless repair with excellent color matching and virtually zero shrinkage. From DAP.